Hey guys, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about Bitcoin's price volatility. We're expecting to see that for September before the FOMC meeting happens. And here's how we are going to prepare. Well, some of us are going to prepare, I guess, talking about a little bit of strategy and what to kind of expect in the coming days. So let's jump into it. Smash the like button and subscribe to the channel as well for more cryptocurrency news. So we're about 19 days out from the next policy setting Fed meeting in the United States. The PCE index dropped this morning, and it is showing that inflation is rising exactly as expected. The PCE is the Fed's favorite inflation gauge because it's a better measure than the CPI given its broader and considers consumer behavior. Today's data bodes well for a September rate cut, which we already know was coming after Powell's Jackson Hole remarks last week. But we did get some data yesterday saying that, that analysts or economists were looking at the data and they thought that the PCE data was going to come in hotter than expected, but it's actually been better than expected. So that's a good sign. So the video I did yesterday was a little bit of a warning that we could get not so favorable inflation data, but it actually came in pretty good. So that I'm very happy to hear that. So Bitcoin has repeatedly failed to close above the $62,000 level since August the 3rd, and it's currently down about 11% over the past 30 days. It's also decoupled with the S&P 500 index, which is 1% below its all-time high. So that's very interesting. So risk markets are not reacting to this news yet. I'm anticipating that we're going to, be a little bit rocky this month, into September. But, once we do get information regarding any kind of an interest rate cut, it's going to be very beneficial for the crypto market. Bitcoin could use significant gains if the Federal Reserve Bitcoin could see significant gains if the Federal Reserve cuts interest rates and professional traders are using Bitcoin options to maximize gains while limiting risks. So that's basically what's going on there. Part of the market's already pricing in a 50%, 50%, oh my goodness, a 0.5% interest rate cut, so 50 basis points, that's what I meant to say, making it difficult to predict how markets will react on September 18th, despite the potential bullish catalyst. So some argue that there's presidential interference in regards to cryptocurrency. We know President Trump's stance on Bitcoin, and Kamala Harris has yet to really show what she intends to do. She says that she wants to reset her support and kind of start things over with the crypto community, but we've yet to see really anything come from that. So U.S. federal court judge has also sided with the SEC after Kraken Exchange attempted to dismiss a case. So the judge basically said that they could be liable for offering investment contracts and therefore securities. So that's a little bit of a setback for the overall market. But the CME FedWatch tool shows a 25% chance of a 50 basis point interest rate cut on September 18th. Many believe that risk on markets could rally, and instead of taking on the risk of leveraged future positions, professional traders could be turning to option strategies instead. So that's kind of what's happening there. So just give you guys the lowdown, let you guys know what's going on. So thankfully, inflation data came back better today than we anticipated. Economists kind of had me worried there for a moment, but things are starting to look up. So hopefully September is going to be a better month. August has not, historically been very great for crypto. So we're going to see what September brings. Usually pretty volatile, but if we do get a rate cut, we can expect October to be a pretty decent month, in my opinion. But we'll wait and see what happens there. Hopefully everything aligns and we will get the run that we're basically anticipating, right? So thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.